What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold, back at you with another video, Thrifting for Gold episode. So in today's video, it's going to be a lot different than usual. We're actually going to be here in our office, and we're going to show you guys our haul. We went outsourcing the other day and hit 3 stores up, so we're going to show you each individual store. I'm going to make like a little montage for each one. Got a lot of B-roll on there, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that, hope you enjoyed. We got 3 things in that store.
Only 3.
So I found 1 thing, Kristina found 2 things. So show them what you found.
So the first thing that I found was this Givenchy for Chessa or Chessa, I don't know, but I wasn't sure if it was legit or not, and I did some research on the labels and figured out it was real, so that's pretty cool. It's
awesome.
From the 1970s, so if you guys don't know anything about the brand Givenchy, it's a pretty higher end brand, very expensive, like the Kardashians wear it kind of deal.
Wow.
So,
real nice.
Yes, so I was looking at the comps for it. It's probably around like $45 to $60 if we can wait on it, like, you know, but if we want to get it out fast, we could probably sell it for a little bit lower. But it's a really nice, just button-up men's shirt, so.
Not bad.
Nope.
Okay, and so then the one thing that I found was this Wolverine shirt. It was just a size large, just like a nice work shirt with the pocket and the Wolverine stitch. So figured to get it. It was what, like $2? Half off of $2. Yeah, so it was $1. So we're definitely not gonna pass that up. But I don't know, it was just like a nice work shirt.
We've actually never sold Wolverine clothing before, or anything Wolverine, really. So it was nice to pick it up and try, because Wolverine is a good work brand and it's a really nice, like, heavy-duty work shirt.
Yeah.
But the last thing that I picked up there, it was actually, I found it in the last few seconds of us being there. It's this Hugo Boss tuxedo French cuff whatever wedding t-shirt, or wedding button-up shirt. So it actually retails at $297.
Wow.
So I actually did some research on the comps when I was listing it the other day. Probably around like $30 to $45 if you want to sit and wait on it. So
not bad. We
only paid 99 cents for it actually. So
not bad.
Not bad at all.
So now we're gonna get into the second store we got into, which was Savers.
Yeah.
So in that store, I don't think I filmed too much and I haven't got to the editing yet, so we're gonna show you what we got first. And we're not gonna do any B-roll with this because I got a skateboard for myself that was $2.99, so $3 for this skateboard.
Just to hang up, right?
No, I'm gonna use it probably one day when I feel like skating. For those of you who don't know, I used to love the skateboard, so I'm trying to bring it back into my life.
Skatehead. Just kidding.
And then Kristina found this.
I love it. It's so cool.
Which I will put some B-roll up of right now. But yeah, so she really loves this.
It's a stair stepper. I do it every morning.
Yeah, so we have that trampoline. I don't know if you guys do know or not, so. But we also have that, so we do that in the morning. So Mama Gold, sorry if it's a little loud downstairs.
At 4 a.m. and it's squeak, squeak, squeak.
But then the last thing we got in that store, which this is what we're pretty excited for, really heavy, is, I'll get B-roll of this actually.
Yeah. Well, actually, Martin and Zach were trying to rush me out of the store as fast as they could. They were like done with Savers, and I was like, hold on. Like, I found this super cool Singer sewing machine, and I didn't know if it had the sewing machine in it yet because it had the case on the outside. So I was like, just give me a second, please.
Yeah, so she made me open it.
Yeah, so we opened it, and the whole thing is there. The only thing that it's missing is the pedal, or the cord with the pedal. But I was looking up comps and stuff, and it looks like they can sell without the cord and the pedal. So it's pretty decent. We paid $5 for it, and it's probably going to turn into $80 or higher. We can look into investing in the cord, but it's like a $30 purchase, but it does make the value of it go from 80 to about 120 to 150. So it's really if we want to take the extra time to find a cord to make sure it works and everything. But I don't know, $50 to an $80 flip is pretty awesome.
Yeah,
for
really awesome.
A sewing machine. But when I saw it, I knew we had to look it up because I mean, as you guys saw, it's super old, it's super cool, it's, you know, singer sewing machines.
Yeah.
You gotta.
So when it sells, we'll definitely have to make a video on how we ship it.
Yes. Oh gosh.
But we'll get into the little montage of savers that I filmed, so enjoy that. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that, and sorry if you guys can hear Finn crying, he's just sitting over there. He's really hot.
Yeah, he's literally roasting.
So the last store that we went to was a Goodwill.
Yes, our
and
favorite.
We're gonna show the montage of that right now. Wow. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that, hope you're enjoying this new type of Thrifting for Gold episode. I just always want to make these a little different.
More exciting.
So this is the store that Kristina literally just said she spent too much on herself. So show them what you got.
So actually we were thinking that the store was pretty dry when we first walked in. We weren't really finding too much, and so actually Martin found a Victoria's Secret bathing suit on the ground, and so he was like, wow, like let's go check to see if they have some more.
Yeah.
And we ended up finding 3 more of them.
3 more.
So we ended up with 4 Victoria's Secret bathing suits altogether. 2 of them are the same size, which is really nice. So we have like a bright yellow lime green one and a like navy electric blue one, both 32C, so we can lot them together, maybe get more out of it, or try and sell them separately. And then the next 2 that we got were both different sizes, but that's all right. They're pretty unique ones on their own. They both have, well, one has a pattern on it and the other one is like that triangle bathing suit. If you remember, that was popular in like 2010. I don't know. But then we actually found this Nike pullover like dry fit. It was like a hoodie kind of material, but no hoodie or no hood. But that actually we listed on Facebook Marketplace, and it had offers within 5 minutes.
Wow.
But like lowball offers of like $10. So we'll see how that goes, but that was listed, like I said, within a few minutes we were getting offers. And so then the next 2 items are actually mine. I guess I should disclaim I'm keeping one of the bathing suits, but
Oh my goodness.
but the next 2 things I picked up for myself, maybe for resale in the future. It is this North Face just zip up hoodie. Pretty cool. I've actually never had a North Face like hoodie before. It's really nice, so I'm excited for that. And then finally I got this pair of Victoria's Secret leggings. They actually were only $1. They're the really nice like workout leggings, so I was pleasantly surprised with that purchase, and they're really cute. They're pink, and yeah.
So that was our thrift haul. We hope you guys enjoyed this Thrifting for Gold episode. It was a lot different than usual.
Yes.
And if you guys do want to know, we spent about $60.
Yes.
And we didn't have to spend anything on gas because, as you saw, Zach was driving. So big shout out to Zach.
Yes.
His Instagram link is in the description below, so you can go show him some love and give him a follow. So thank you, Zach. And till tomorrow, till next video, peace guys. Enjoy your day or night.